Beyond mere record counts, our proprietary Risk Exposure Index provides a comprehensive measurement of breach severity. The National Public Data Breach topped our list with a score of 8.93, exposing 2.9 billion records of sensitive personal information. Change Healthcare scored 8.7, where a single vendor breach created $32 billion in damages and paralyzed the healthcare ecosystem. Our analysis revealed the most influential factors in determining risk. Data sensitivity, 24%. Financial impact, 22%. And regulatory compliance, 18%. Interestingly, ransomware correlation with operational impact far exceeds its correlation with overall risk score. Understanding your true risk exposure is the first step toward effectively protecting what matters most. If it's private, kite it. For a list and analysis of the top 11 data breaches in 2024, read our report.